Let's take up multiple choice questions based on molecular orbital theory. According to molecular orbital theory, which of the statement about the magnetic character and bond order is correct regarding O2 plus? It is paramagnetic and bond order is less than O2. Second option, paramagnetic and bond order is greater than O2. Third, diamagnetic and bond order less than O2. Diamagnetic and bond order greater than O2. Now O2 plus has 15 electrons. Its bond order is 5 by 2. Oxygen and a molecule has 16 electrons. It has got bond order 2 and both of them are paramagnetic in nature. Why both of them are paramagnetic in nature? Because both have unpaired electrons. Oxygen has 2 unpaired electrons, O2 plus has 1 unpaired electron. So first point is both of them are paramagnetic. Second point is that bond order of O2 plus is greater than O2. So the B part is the correct answer. Let's take up next question. The bond order of NO is 2.5 and NO positive is 3. Which of the following statement is true for these two species? Bond length in NO plus is greater than in NO. Second option, bond length is NO is greater than in NO positive. Bond length in NO positive is equal to that in NO and bond length is unpredictable. Now bond order of NO is 2.5 and bond order of NO plus is 3. Now greater the bond order, here bond order is greater, smaller will be bond length. It means bond length of NO positive will be less than bond length of NO. Bond length of NO positive is less than NO. So the correct answer will be NO positive is less. So it means NO has greater than NO positive. So the correct answer is B part. Next question, which of the following species is diamagnetic in nature? A part is He2 plus. It has got 3 electrons, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s1. Second option is hydrogen. It has 2 electrons, sigma 1s2. Third option is H2 plus. It has 1 electron, sigma 1s1. And fourth option is H2 minus, which has 3 electrons, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Which of them is diamagnetic? Correct answer is H2 because it does not have unpaired electron. All other three are paramagnetic due to presence of unpaired electrons. Which of the following is paramagnetic in nature? N2. N2 has bond order 3 and it is diamagnetic in nature because it does not have unpaired electron. Second option is C2. C2 has bond order 2 and it is also diamagnetic in nature. There is no unpaired electron. N2 plus has 13 electrons. So bond order is 2.5 and it is paramagnetic in nature due to presence of unpaired electrons. Fourth option is O2 minus. It has got 18 electrons. Bond order is 1 and it does not have unpaired electron. So it is diamagnetic in nature. Correct answer is C part. N2 plus is paramagnetic in nature. Next question. Which of the following molecule or ion does not contain unpaired electrons? A part is N2 plus. N2 plus has got 13 electrons and it has unpaired electron. Rather, it has one unpaired electron. B part is O2. O2 is 16. It has got 2 unpaired electrons. C part is O2 minus 18. There is 0 unpaired electron. That is, it does not have unpaired electron. B2 molecule, atomic number 5 into 2, total electrons will be 10. It has got 2 unpaired electrons. So correct answer is O2 minus does not have unpaired electrons.